I'm just like a little kid, aren't I? Hey, what's going on, guys? And welcome to this storm. I hope I'm not gonna mess myself up here driving in here, but we're supposed to get like about a foot of snow tonight, and right now it's minus 17 Celsius, so it isn't that warm. I'm just looking for a place to crash out for the night, and this snow is deep. Like, you can really spin it, and a lot of tracks around. So, and if you don't think it's snowing, it's snowing. And we're in the kind of wooded area too, so you won't notice it as much. Okay, getting less and less cars that have been out here. These are my bright lights. Those are my low beams. Here's my bright. Yeah, I don't know if I should be going out. Usually, if it's bad, I'll stay in like a city or something like that, and I just find it kind of more like the plows are out, and you're not gonna get trapped for a couple days. Now, mind you, I always carry supplies for a couple of days, just food and water and that sort of stuff. And like right now, I have a full tank of gas, and I always make sure I have gas because you got to start up your van to keep warm or whatever. Let's see what this looks like. Oh. Yeah, that's a lot of snow. Be honest with you, I'm just trying to stay right in the middle of all the trees because I don't know actually. And whoever was driving here before me, if they go off the road, I could just end up following them right in. Ooh, that's icy underneath here too. Wow, that's a lot of snow, and there's about a foot more to come. Yikes. I don't know if you guys are noticing, but the animal tracks going across the road, there seems to be an awful lot of animals wandering around tonight. Maybe they're looking for shelter, I don't know. Okay, now this is interesting. I don't know where the road is. I think it's here. Well, this isn't smart of me at all. Oh yeah, here it is. Now we're down by the water. I'll show you with the big light on. Like it's ooh, that drift was a little more than. Yeah, these drifts are not. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, I'm still going. Oh, that one was deep. Now we're back into the drifts again. Yeah. At least where it's windy. Okay, there's not that many drifts here, but where it's windy and kind of open, there's the wind is blowing off the road. It isn't as bad except for the drifts that are back there, but this isn't too bad here. I just don't like getting up a lot of speed in case I hit something monstrous and it throws me into the ditch or something. But that isn't too bad. Something's been in here. I think I'll park right here tonight. I'm kind of sheltered from from the wind and all that, so I won't get any drifts around me. And I have a shovel in here anyway. Well, guys, I hope you liked the experience. It's going to be an interesting night, cold, snowy, but when you sit, it is so quiet in snowstorms. That's the one thing I like about snowstorms. It's beautifully quiet. Boy, those lights look pretty dim without the big one on, doesn't it? Anyway, guys, hope you liked the little adventure. I always find this weather kind of fun to drive through and everything else. Anyway, guys, you guys take care. Please be safe on the road.